days. Last day we have completed question number 1 and 2 from exercise 12a. Now question number 3, you have given the picture sums. You can see the pictures of triangles are given, and then you have to find the unknown angles, the angles which is not found, which is lettered by the different lettered or measured by different letter. Yes, you have to draw the figure using scale and pencil. If you are going to ask me, ma'am, will we draw figure? Yes. There is no, like this a figure is given. A, B, C. Angle A is given 60 degree. Angle B is given 50 degree. And angle C is given X. Here you write from figure 60 degree plus 50 degree plus X is equal to 180 degree. Why? Sum of three angles of triangle. You can write here sum of angles property, or it gives you 110 degree plus X is equal to 180 degree, or X is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree, or X is equal to 70 degree. This much work you have to do after drawing the figure. Clear? You must draw the figure, then you must write it also. Okay? Like that we find the angles which is unknown. In question number B, you can see you have given a triangle and all the three angles are given X, X and X. So again you write from figure X plus X plus X is 180 degree. Is it? So 3X is equal to 180 degree, or X is equal to 180 degree by 3, X is equal to 60 degree. Here also you have to write sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. Then you have to go. In this way we have to solve this picture sums. You can see up to 5 there is no problem. Now look at question number 6. This is 1, 2 I have done. Look at question number 6. Here, picture sum number 6. You have given a figure. This is given A, and like this symbol is made. This is X, this is X, and this is Y. A, B, C. Now from figure what can we see? Y is equal to 90 degree, because this symbol represents the 90 degree. Is it? This symbol means it is 90 degree. So Y is a vertically opposite angle. So I have not told you, but I am telling you because already you have learned vertically opposite angles are always equal. So if Y is 90 degree, again we can write it X plus Y is 180 degree. Why? Sum of three angles of triangle is 180, or it gives you 2X plus Y's value is 90 degree is equal to 180 degree, or 2X is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, or 2X is equal to 90 degree, or X is equal to 90 degree by 2. So the answer would be 45 degree. So that's what we got. Y is equal to 90 degree and X is equal to 45 degree. Both are X, so both would be equal. 45 degree, is it? Just write it please. Then you have to finish up to question number 8. Complete up to 8. If there is a doubt, you can ask me in comment box. You should ask. First you should practice, and the figures has to be constructed using scale and pencil. No rough figure. You must draw with the scale and pencil, and you must write it. Okay, up to question number 8 you finish. Next day we'll be solving 9 onwards. If there is anything to be asked, you can ask me. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you, dears.